Hello, my name is Axel, and in this new video I will explain you how you will be able to create Instagram accounts in massive quantity. I'm telling you this in this video. First, you must watch the integrity of this video, because I will tell you which proxies to use, why does Instagram flag you, and how you can bypass their JavaScript protection. Three things. You must just see the whole video. If you don't see it, you will have problem with my software and you will ask me the same questions. So I'm making this for the promotion of my software, and you'll perhaps understand why. So you have seen perhaps some marketing people telling you that you must have residential proxies and blah blah blah. Well, that's not really true, and you can just bypass those things. Create Instagram accounts with free proxies. No, just don't believe it. It doesn't exist. Software. There are no software that will be able to create Instagram accounts and bypass their system with free proxies. It's maybe the stupidest question I've never seen, because Instagram, they are a big company. They always update all the free proxies and just blacklist them. Don't ask me for free proxies. Doesn't work for Instagram account creation. Doesn't work. Just simply doesn't work. No software will be able to create Instagram accounts with free proxies. It doesn't exist. It doesn't work. So I will explain you first JavaScript. How do they track you? You can have a VPN, a proxy, or let's say a tracker blocker or tracker spoofer. Doesn't work. But just simply calculate your computer performance and generate a unique hash associated to your computer. And even if you got a proxy, VPN, and like I said, a tracker blocker or all those things, they will still find you and block the accounts associated with this hash. So that's why, and in fact, the answer to this is the little red message that you can see. You can create an account now. Please try later. Yes. That's part of it. Second part is the proxies, but listen to what this. I can prove it to you. How do we calculate it? Pretty easy. But just do some weird actions like calculating here. Calculation. In fact, it's not like this. I'm just simplifying it. They just take the time now. Example now. They do some actions like calculation, and they stop the time after those calculations, and they just subtract them, and they do a lot of those actions here, and make, let's say, 10, they divide by 10 and get some number, and they generate a unique hash, a weird number, weird thing with weird number like this, and they can still track you. What does my software do? It just reverse engineer those trackers and send fake values. That's the interest of it. So my software just work with just do the in JavaScript part. You have to just do the proxy part. Yes, let's get into the proxies. I can prove it to you that they are flagging, they know what proxies, that you are using proxies. In fact, what they have done is that they are just extracted all the proxies from all the proxies pool. In fact, it's just bot access and flagged all the proxies with those proxies pool. And that's why you can't create Instagram accounts most of the time. Proxy pool are, for example, storm proxies and rotating proxies, all those things, you know. And they just flag you. I am French, so when I try to create an account, the answer is in French. If you don't believe my translation, do it yourself, you'll see I'm not lying. Those codes are Unicode. Unicode is some sort of encoding. Don't know why we put it here, but sometimes it's because with you know, this thing like this. So I translate it now. This IP address that you're using has been flagged as an open proxy. If you think that's an error, go to help.instagram.com. Yeah, that's it. They ask you to go to help.instagram.com and find nothing about it, or let's say nearly nothing. And if you want to ask them questions, they won't even answer you. You can have 100,000 Instagram accounts, and if this account has been banned or not banned, hacked, They want to give you back access because they don't care about you. Yeah, bad company, Instagram. So my software, I explain in 1 minute how my software works, because I got question also about it. Simple. Here you just take the file containing all the proxy. So one proxy by line, please, and not, for example, it's not a proxy here, but yeah, let's tell that's a proxy. This one also is a proxy. I don't want this here, you know, this here, I don't want it when you put it in the text file. Just delete it. I want it here. Yeah. So if you want to generate username, delete the prefix and suffix, and select the number of us. Boom, it generates username. If you want to generate emails, so yeah, take a bigger number, of course, and mail.com, please, and random mails. Yeah, that's it. So that's how it works. It works also for proxies. You can just select the folder containing all the profile picture. The profile picture will be named 1.jpg or 1.png, 2.jpg or 2.png, and all the others like this. If you have an account, example, if the account mail, the first line of the account is this one, it will have this password and the first png. So 1.png or 1.jpg. Profile website edition and bio edition, and if you want to insert a font, it doesn't do font validation, just take a file. If you want to click on confirm mail, so that's it. Multi-threading, selecting multi-thread or single threading. So now let's go to the special part, proxies. Yeah, I've been asked a lot of time for proxies. You need to buy virgin proxies. In fact, virgin proxies are the best, but they are really expensive. You have maybe seen, like I said, some marketing guys telling you must buy residential proxies. They are really good. Yeah, they are good. Yeah, but this doesn't mean that they won't be flagged. It doesn't mean that, because in fact, what Instagram did, like I said, they just took all the IPs and flagged them as open proxy. Even if they are residential data center, all those things. So what you must take is private proxies, because they can't just extract proxies from private proxies, and proxies that are not used, that have not been used on the platform. If someone have used in previous time for proxies and have abused of them, they will kind of blacklist them. So you need to buy social network proxies and Instagram proxies exactly. So I'm not in partnership with Proxie Store. You can still buy some proxies with another website, but I like them because they have cheap prices. So Instagram, United States, 20, yeah, you will be able to create 2,000 accounts with a profile picture, even if you have got my software, and a bio profile. So what does this cost? What does an Instagram with a picture profile and a bio cost? In fact, it's flat price. If you create 2,000 of them, you will get $600 and you will have paid $23. That's it. That's the thing. So how now to create with those proxies? You got 20 proxies for $23 in 1 month. Every day in the morning you create one account with each proxies. At 12 o'clock you create one account, and at one account for each proxies. I won't repeat myself, of course, and one account at 6 o'clock p.m. for each proxies. I must repeat it because people will ask me. So, and this in 30 days. If we calculate it, so 3, because 3 per account per day, 3 accounts per proxy per day, 60, 30, and it makes 1,800 accounts per month. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, that's all for now. Don't hesitate to leave a like, to subscribe, to share, and I leave you on this. Bye bye.